Good morning to our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu and esteemed dignitaries on the dais. My name is Durga Madhuri. I am studying third standard in ZPHS Kodur. I am very happy to speak about Anantaranya, a wonderful program by the Andhra Pradesh government. Anantaranya is a great program to make our state greener by planting more trees. Trees give us fresh air, fruits, shade and rain. They are our best friends because they help all living beings. Our environment is our home. If we protect nature, nature will protect us. Every small step we take can make a big difference. I sincerely thank our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu for inspiring us through this beautiful program. Let us all join hands to make Andhra Pradesh green, healthy and beautiful. Let us all take a simple pledge. One child, one tree, save nature, save our future. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
అద్భుతం. కేవలం మూడవ తరగతి చదువుతున్న మన మాధురి చదువుతున్న మాధురి.
Respected CM Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu and other dignitaries, a very good morning to you all. I am Swati Priya, studying 6th class at PM Shri ZPHS Koduru School. Today I am going to talk about Net Zero Campus. A net zero campus creates as little pollution as possible. The waste and energy we use is balanced by the green actions we take. To achieve this, we must focus on three things. First one, energy management. Use solar power and switch off unused lights. Second one, waste management. Follow green bin for wet, blue bin for dry waste. Third one, green cover. Plant trees and maintain a garden. Why is this important? Because climate change is real. If you don't act now, our future will be in danger. Our school can become a real model. Let's start with small steps. Say no to plastic. Use eco-friendly clothes. Use solar power and electric vehicles. Let us work together to make our school, village, city and our state a net zero area. Thank you for all.
ఆంగ్లము ఆంధ్రము ఆంగ్లాంధ్ర భాషలలో స్వర్ణాంధ్ర స్వచ్ఛాంధ్ర వేదికను ఫలవంతం చేసిన ఈ భవిష్య వ్యాఖ్యాతలు వాచస్పతులకు గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యుల వారు చక్కగా ఆలింగనం చేసుకుని వారికి ఆశీస్సులు అందిస్తున్నారు. గొప్పదైనటువంటి భవిష్యత్తు వారికి కలగాలని ఈ వేదిక శుభాశీస్సులు అందిస్తూ